Hello, everyone. I'm back. It's Deb. I just thought I'd share some happy mail, merry mail, um, family mail from probably October to early this month. Sorry about that. I just want to give some recognition to people that sent me some things or gave me things. So that's all this is, and I'll try and go fairly quickly, but I am going to give credit where it's due. So this Miss Judy, who is a frequent viewer on my channel, sends me usually once a month some cards. She does a mailing out. That's her thing. She does cards once a month on a mailing list, and that she feels is her calling to do that for her religious beliefs. Anyway, she sent me a Thinking of You card. She usually has a Bible verse in, so this one is Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord, Psalm 31:24, NIV. And forgive me, I don't know what that stands for. I know King James Version, but I don't know New something version. Please fill me in on that. Autumn shows us that change can be beautiful. That is true. And it was in this amazing leopard print kind of thing, which I might use the back of that in a journal. So yes, thank you, Judy. This one is from another viewer who also has watched both my channels and even bought things off my Etsy store for my jewelry channel. But this is gorgeous. This is from Rosa, and you can probably see her in some of the comments on my channel. But this is a beautiful fall card she sent me. I think it's amazing. May your days be filled with warmth and cheer with the little critters and the little metallic leaves here. And this border punch, Rosa, I want to know where this is from because I absolutely love this. Okay. Absolutely love that. And it's on the front and back. And inside, I think I can show you this. Uh, Wishing you a cozy season. Crafty hugs, Rosa Vera. And I'm giving her last name because it's actually in her YouTube name as well. And more of the little metallic leaves and some other stamp and die cuts. Just gorgeous. And then even the envelope, I won't show my address, but isn't that cute? That's a sticker. Little fall witchy girl. And then these all different color metallic leaves and a little sticker on the back. Fall is in the air. So cute. So thank you, Rosa. That was beautiful, and I wanted to give you credit. And then I got this one. I believe this is also, oh, this is from Fran. Fran is also a wonderful crafty friend and viewer and co-collaborator on, she used to do with me embellishments on the 11th. And I believe she said she will be participating in Poet Spice's um, Flowers and Critters collab, second Wednesday every month. So coming up next week. Okay, guys? And she must have seen I was down or something, just a note to lift your spirits. Isn't that adorable? With the elephants and a little hot air balloon basket and some stars. Oh, maybe I lost a star. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Um, I won't read it, but yeah, she was trying to send me a smile and a hug. Thank you so much, Fran. I do appreciate you very much. And that came in September, actually. So I'm going back to September, guys. Now this is Christmas. My son, my okay. So I was with him when he bought this, so I didn't expect to get it because my daughter, when she was young, her favorite storybook was called Miss Susie and Friends or something like that. Miss Susie was a squirrel. And she has that book still, as far as I know. I gave it to her years ago. Anyway, nuts about Christmas. So I was surprised when I got this because I thought he was going to go to my daughter. But in it, if I can get to it, my son's name is Chris. it has a place gift card here, but he hand drew the chair he's getting me, right? I think he did a great job. So anyway, yeah. So Christopher, thank you. Okay, this was a card from Judy, again Judy, and certificate of birth for unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. So, yeah, she sent me her Christmas card there, wishing you hope and peace of Christ this season. And she always puts a little happy face in as well. She doesn't stamp or do whatever on the back of the cards, but thank you, Judy. This one, some of these people are not, they're like, this is my friend Sue gave me this. A child is born. She is also of the Christian faith. So thank you, Sue. And this one is from a friend Charlie. And this one was from my cousin Craig, and he put in Ryan, who is his son. Haven't seen Ryan. Ryan is a younger adult now. I mean, I think he's in his 30s, like my son is now. Anyway, beautiful scene. And he also has a verse because he's also Christian. I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John 8:12, NRSV. May Christmas shine brightly in your home and in your heart. Craig is so thoughtful. He's the cousin that invited me to go to the shore this past summer with him and his friends, a man and woman who married couple. And I was so grateful to have that opportunity to go with him. So thank you, Craig. He also sent me a birthday card, which I'll show you in a minute. This says for someone special. This is from my daughter. She knows I love birds. She loves birds. She loves snow, although not so much shoveling. Let's see. I won't read the inside, but she's looking forward to 2026 with lots of walks. Yes, me too, my dear daughter. One sec. Okay, sorry about that. Now this one I think was yeah, my auto and car insurance place. This is for my birthday. And this is a special note of thanks. Okay. This was from my cousin Craig after we went to the shore, and he was thanking me so much for going with him to the shore. I'm like, what do you mean, thank you? Thank you because he invited me. I wouldn't have had the opportunity. I may, I should put some of these in a journal. What do you think? What do you do with them? This is also, I think, from this is from, hang on. Oh, this is from Fran. I was like, who is that? I was thinking I didn't get one from Fran on YouTube. No, this is Fran who went with us to the smorgasbord the other day. And she didn't have to. I know her through my friend Sue, but I don't know her that well otherwise. And isn't that a beautiful card? Flowers. I could reuse that. And this is from Sue with a coordinating envelope. Isn't that pretty? Flowers and butterflies. Looks like a hydrangea, right? Mm. Oh, even the inside. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then this one is from Penny for my birthday. Penny's Crafty Creations, and she does a monthly birthday shout outs, and she did that. So thank you, Penny, for remembering me. I think I should do this for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. She collects ATC cards. And if you remember, if you've been here any length of time, I have this book, which was meant to be a gratitude journal, but then I decided because it was from 2019 when I made it, it's got alphabets in it. That was a way to use up the alphabets. And I was going to use it as a gratitude journal, but I think I'm going to request ATCs and for their last names, glue them. I'll take off the 2019 thing. And I still will leave it as gratitude because I'm grateful for everyone here. And I think what I'll do is put them in like a flip or possibly this way as a flip. Ensure that everybody puts their mailing address and information on the back of the ATC, and then it'll be kept private on the top, but I can flip it over and find somebody's address because I keep all these envelopes with all these addresses on, and then they get misplaced, and then I don't know where they are. And I don't remember people's birthdays and stuff like that. So I think that's what I'm going to do for my 4,000 um, subscriber that I'm late with giveaway challenge. And she sent me two um, stamped images, which I'll be sure to use on a deck of the year sometime. So thank you, Penny. And this is from a place that I just enrolled in new medical insurance for the year because of Medicare. Yeah, bit long story. This is from my cousin Craig. Oh, look at the kitty. Birthday blessings. Oh my gosh. It even has paw prints on the inside. Every good and perfect gift is from above. James 1:17, King James Version, KJV. I know that one. And the back. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Craig. And then lastly, I believe this goes with Craig's. This is from Judy. This is for my birthday also, but I just shared that I'm going to be making something finally with the stamped images that I did. Oh, look, it's the same one. It's from Festive Friends. And look at this card. It's so cute. I thought it was a pocket card. No, it opens like that. Isn't that so cool? Now let me make sure. Okay. Hoping you the wishing you the warmest happy birthday wishes and many more. This is from Judy. She didn't sign it in there, but it's on the envelope, so I know it's from her. And handmade, she did stamp the back of that one. So cute. Thank you so much, Judy. So you know I got it. So I appreciate you all and even my family and friends, especially all of you. Actually, I really do appreciate you. And as I said in my planner goals, I will try and be a better person and reciprocate a little more this year than I have in the past. So hopefully I will be able to carry that out and go forward that way. So I won't keep you anymore. I just wanted to share those happy mails, and now I have to figure out what I'm going to do with these. I might use some. I don't want to waste them, and I always save cards and then they just end up in a pile like this, and I don't know what to do with them. So I think journaling is the right thing to do with them. I just haven't figured out how exactly yet. So, alrighty, have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to you again probably Thursday now. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.